All right, I am not going to get into the weeds on international copyright law. I think one of the things that's most important to think about is that, the world's very interconnected. We live in a digital age. And so creative works, whether they be books, films, music, software, even across national borders, a lot of times there are basic copyright protections across um, international lines. So there are international copyright laws that address challenges and establish common principles and standards that all countries agree to follow, making sure that everyone adheres to these particular protections. There's several laws that have international treaties, I should say. They're not laws, they're international treaties. So the Berne Convention is kind of the cornerstone of international copyright law. It was established in 1886. That one gave the automatic protections with no need for a formal registration process, and it provides the those basic four protections and the types of works protected. There's also the World Intellectual Property Organization Copyright Treaty of 1996. It built on that, addressing issues raised by digital technologies. Like I said, that the advancement of technology, requires an updating of international treaties. It provides additional protections for authors in the digital environment, particularly concerning the distribution and communication of works online. So it helps to protect it out there in the digital world. The TRIPS Agreement, 1994. Let me see if I can refresh myself on that real quick. Intellectual property, including copyright, that requires member countries to provide enforcement mechanisms. Cross-border enforcement of those treaties are important to take legal action against infringement against copywritten IP. So, just so there are additional protections outside of the U.S., at least in a basic form, to keep in mind whenever you're considering, copyright. Again, if you register with the U.S. office, it's probably going to give you more teeth if you were to run into any international issues, but it's not required because, again, they have the international treaties honor the automatic protections created once you fix it in a tangible medium.